If you've been bombarded with ads about the Cellsius Orthopedic Kneepillow and find yourself questioning if it's really worth the hype or just another clever sales trick, then this breakdown will give you the full picture. The company markets this pillow as an innovative solution for people struggling with back pain, hip pain, or sciatica, promising ergonomic support, pain relief, and even suggesting it could replace medication or professional treatment. These are bold claims, and while that kind of marketing catches attention, it also raises questions about how much of it is realistic. On the surface, the pillow looks like a smart idea, especially for side sleepers who want better leg alignment. But when digging deeper into customer feedback and third-party reviews, a very mixed picture starts to appear. Some buyers did find it useful for a short time, saying it offered a little relief, but a larger number of people shared concerns that the design felt bulky, awkward to use, or uncomfortable due to the heavy cover material. Beyond comfort, there were reports of much bigger issues such as delayed shipping, orders that never arrived, and refund requests that turned into a frustrating back and forth with customer service. This ties in with another frequent criticism: aggressive sales tactics and promotions that seem too good to be true, like heavy discounts paired with urgent limited-time-only warnings, which many customers later felt were misleading. Another red flag is the lack of verified endorsements from doctors or physiotherapists, which makes the health claims harder to trust, especially when the company suggests it can solve chronic pain or conditions like sciatica all on its own. On top of that, external reviews outside the brand's own website highlighted problems with misleading advertising and unclear guarantees, which left many people disappointed. At the same time, it's not all negative. There are users who said the pillow helped them sleep better and reduced pressure on their joints, which shows that it might provide some benefit for certain individuals depending on their body type and sleeping habits. However, those experiences don't erase the ongoing concerns about quality, reliability, and the company's customer support. So when you put all this together, the Cellsius Orthopedic Kneepillow isn't easy to label as a total scam or a complete success. It falls somewhere in between, with potential for minor relief but overshadowed by questionable business practices, exaggerated promises, and inconsistent user experiences. That's why it's important to weigh both the risks and the possible benefits before deciding if this product is actually worth your time and money.